Welcome to ClarityCanvas, your mindful companion for understanding yourself, mastering your emotions, and living with intention. Start with the basics. Capture your thoughts in the daily journal, your private space to reflect, unload, and grow, and craft letters to your future self to revisit your hopes, dreams, and promises. Stay consistent with motivating streaks. Unsure about a choice? The Enhanced Decision Helper guides you with clarity. And discover deep personal insights that highlight your patterns and help you grow every day. Capture life as it happens with micro moments, tiny yet powerful reflections throughout your day. Visualize your growth over time and keep your life balance in check, all in one intuitive dashboard. Master your emotions with trigger pattern mapping. See what sparks your feelings and when. Learn calming emotional regulation techniques. And practice empathy-building exercises to strengthen your relationships. Plus, spot hidden seasonal patterns to better navigate your moods all year long. ClarityCanvas, your daily canvas for a clearer mind, a balanced life, and a better you. Start your mindful journey today. Unlock your next level with ClarityCanvas Pro. Gain powerful tools for advanced tracking, smarter pattern recognition, and deeply personalized growth plans. It's your journey, upgraded.